So yep, you read correctly. I bought another car, another cheap car just to flip off. I'm looking at it right now. I'm back in my element. It's a Honda. I'm back in a Honda, but only for now because I'm literally just gonna sell this off. So let's not waste no time. Let me flip this around and show you what I've bought. There we have it. Honda Civic FN. I don't know what they call it. It's the FN one. It's not a Type R. It's a 2.2 CDTI, which is the diesel in this red. But obviously, if you know Hondas, paint's fading. We don't know pink. That's what we call it. Other than that, it's not too bad actually. This is the alien spaceship ones, the UFO ones. For this one, I'll be listing it up £700, no offers. So if anyone does want it, message me on my Instagram. I need to set a proper business page up so you guys can contact me properly. But yeah, and obviously for £700 you're not getting a perfect car. So let me walk you around the car and show you guys what issues it's got. So as you can see, the bodywork's not the best. There's some paint peeling over there. That little plastic bit's come off, which should be able to get clipped back in. I'm not going to mess about with it right now. Wheels are in good condition. They're in very good condition actually. Just needs a wash. Yeah, it needs a wash actually. Get a proper wash, then you can see all the defects. The plastic here, it needs a buff because it's lost its colour. It's grey now. It should be black all the way around. And I've shown you already. Paint's faded over here, so it's basically gone pink. Bit of the lack has come off, lack appeal there. The rear lights have all steamed up, which is not a major issue. It's nice actually. Bit of, I don't know if that's dirt or damage there. Looks more like dirt from where I'm stood. So yeah, bodywork's not the best. Lack appeal there again. This is the issue with red Hondas or red Japanese cars. It's the bodywork that's the main issue. If I'm walking around, I'm just looking at it and it needs a good wash and a good buff. But other than that, it's a good car. It drives nice. I've driven it around the block. This is the inside. Manual as well. Handbrake cable will need might need a new cover or something. It's all proper old school in here. When I get in the car, I'll show you guys all this technology. Come to the back. It's like I see it. That's open the door here. Very, very spacious in the back, and you got cup holders, so you can make it 4 seats or 5 seats. Yeah, it's all there in here. So like I said, if anyone wants this, £700, no offers. It's a cheap car, man. And if you open the boot, stuff's in here. Yeah, big boot as well. Got the original badges on, nice. And you know me, I'm a Honda guy, man. Armrest, I've not seen this. It's got an armrest. These cloth seats, very comfy. Very, very comfy. Right, let me jump in the car, let me show you all this technology and stuff. I've taken it around the block. It's a good drive actually, yeah. For what it is. For a £700 car. Yeah, the alien shape Honda. I've always loved this on the Hondas, on these ones. So you put the key in, clutch to start. Let me take the heaters off. You go to start the car with the key, it won't start. There's a red button here to start the engine. I like that, you know. Feel like you're in a spaceship, aeroplane, or even a Lamborghini, where you get the push to start button. But yeah, it's not too bad. Mileage 148,975. So let's just say 149 because it's getting driven daily. Yeah, I find this a bit weird. The speedometer's there, and the radio station and the times over there. It's like you're in a proper spaceship. It's built like a spaceship, and even inside, even at all these controls, it's like you're in a spaceship. Steering wheel's got some controls as well. Gears sticks down there. It's alright. And then over here we've got some storage. Handbrake's got some tape on it, which Shouldn't really be an issue, to be fair, as long as it goes up and down. Yep. All this works, radio works, heaters work, as you heard. Demisting screen and demisting the mirrors. That's a good option, that. All the controls are here. It's nice, it's nice. And even like when you're driving, the rev limiter, trying to get this through the wheel, get it there. Don't know how well you can see that. So if I rev it, you see it happening there, and then the speed will obviously be there. So you've got a lot to watch for. I don't want to rev it too much because there's not much fuel in here. Yeah, let me show you the rest of the car, and then that'll be it basically. It is a diesel, so it doesn't sound the best. Right, so that's all for this video. That's been my new purchase, the Honda Civic FN. I don't know what to call it, so let's just call it the FN. Yeah, in the red colour. I don't know what colour it is, but I'm calling it Milano red with the paint peeling, so Milano pink. It's not the best car I've had. One day I'll buy the Type R of it, because I do want to get through all the Honda Type Rs. So yeah, it is on the list. But yeah, we're getting there slowly, one banger at a time. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. If anyone is interested, message me on my Instagram. All my details will be in the description. I am going to set a business page up now, because I'm going to be buying and selling a lot more cars. I'm just buying them cheap to flip off for quick profit. Not bothered about like sorting them out, because £700 a bargain. If I go to repair it myself, I'll end up listing it for about 1,300, and I've not got the time for it because I'm working a full-time job, and I'm trying to do this on the side, and I'm trying to do the YouTube now more often, because I'm trying to get that. But I'm gonna try to get it going, because I'm looking at everyone else doing it. I'm like, I need to kickstart it as well again. So I've got too much on my hands, so I've not got time to repair it. But yeah, nice little project for someone if anyone wants it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I shall see you guys in the next one.